Welcome to 900 South Hanley Road. In this building, there's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo that is about to be listed with Triad Realty Group. The condo has been updated. The list price is $269,000. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode with the Startup CEO Lifestyle TV. My name is Nichelle. Today, I am going to be putting this property, it's a condo, on the market here in Clayton. This high-rise condo building is considered luxury in this exclusive neighborhood. The average house or price or sale of a house in this area is about $756,000. Now, the price increase has drastically risen over the years, about a 10% increase. As you can see, this condo has been updated. It is nice, it's beautiful, it's pretty much ready to move in to your specifications. What we do at Triad Realty Group, we go in and get the house prepared for showing, especially if it's empty. As you've heard me say plenty of times before, a staged house sells faster and quicker to a buyer versus an empty house. So we're just going to go throughout and put some updates, pictures, some furniture in here just to make it appeasing to the eye when the buyer comes in. We're not going to do a whole lot, but we just want to make sure that the accent places such as the living room and the kitchen so that it's warm and cozy. A couple of quick tips for you if you're about to put your property on the market. Do not leave the property empty. If you can leave a few pieces of furniture behind, that's great. Also, make sure you put some pictures on the wall so that it feels nice and comfortable when people come in. Make sure you depersonalize it as well. We are back today to do the decorating of the condo before we put it on the market. So I got a couple of things already up that I'm getting ready to put up, excuse me. I had to go to the hardware store to get some nails and some things to put on the back of the picture so they don't fall down. But I'll show you the finished product once we finish. Just some simple decorations because staged homes sell better than empty homes. And when a new buyer comes through that door right there, we want them to say, hey, now I want this place. Let's put a contract on it right now. So stay tuned. These pictures from the Goodwill, and this one I spent $15 on, and they did not have a hook on them, so I have to put a hook on it just so that it does not fall off the wall. That's one thing that you don't want to do, and you want to put a hook on it. And I just simply went to the home hardware store and bought some hooks like that and put on the back of the picture. Real simple task. They give you the little screws to do it, which is a great thing, and it makes it a little easier. So make sure it's centered and it's easier to hammer. Now, I have my husband's hammer here, which is a man's hammer. I have one myself, which is a little bit smaller, more daintier, because my fingers are big, and they did not make this hammer or these nails for people with bigger hands. So my son is cleaning the mirror before we hang it up. He's doing a great job. So proud of my little helper, my young man. So I'm finished. Now I had a ton of pictures to hang up, more things to put in place, but these are concrete walls. Couldn't do too much with concrete walls, so I had to get up what I can get up. Simplistic. That chandelier is really cute. Tried to hang this mirror up here, but again, concrete walls, couldn't do it, so I just leaned it to the side with that small J. I ordered a bigger one, but this one came, so we have to work with what we got. But lean the picture forward, the frame mirror forward, put the flowers in front of it. Simple, basic, This over here hung the pictures all up, that over there, all this stuff from the Goodwill. Except the couch, I ordered that, and the tables, ordered that from a company, but everything else are Goodwill finds, except the rug too. Couldn't find a bigger one. That was the only one I could find that could match the decor and the things that I was trying to do. So you gotta, again, work with what you got. Was not able to hang everything, as I mentioned, even in the kitchen. So I just added a simple flower there with yellow to give brightness since the walls are gray. And over there in the corner, couldn't hang anything right here. I tried to hang something right there. Again, concrete wasn't going in, and it's not that serious. So we just want to get accents in here where it looks comfortable. So I just put that corner picture there in the corner. Let's see what else I did. In the bathroom, and I'm gonna add something to that table, some books or something, just to give it a little extra flair. I added some rugs in here, some nice fluffy luxury rugs in the bathroom with a little plant over there. Again, simplistic, easy to go. All the rooms, I didn't do anything to the rooms, nor did I add anything to this hallway. Again, concrete walls, but I think with the lights on, it would do great. I always believe in leaving lights on so people don't have to hustle and bustle to try to find lights. In here, I just added a plant. I was gonna add some more rugs to the floor, but again, simplistic, nice, simple, clean, white, ready to move in. You know, we got those nice things there for the built-in closet area for your organized professionals. And this is it. So I'm actually pleased with the work that has been done. I'm proud of myself because I have staged 2 houses in 2 condos in a matter of days, 2 days, and this is my birthday weekend. So I worked on my birthday. Look, when you love what you do what you love. And that's exactly what I did. So I am about to call it quits here. Extra closet for storage there as well. I'm about to call it quits so that I can go to dinner with my husband and enjoy the rest of my birthday weekend. So thank you so much for tuning in. What really matters is if we get this place sold ASAP. So I'm putting it on the market. As of yesterday, it was on the market, but I didn't upload the picture, so I'm doing that today. And then consider it sold. Yes. In the name of Jesus. I have this nice mesmerizing view from all different angles of the city. Now I gotta go downstairs and take pictures of the pool and all of that so we can make this a done deal. Great views from the 14th floor. There's another condo right across the way there. We're in the heart of the city here, of this small town. Great amenities throughout, parks, church right across the street over there. So something for everybody, single, married, empty nester, whatever you are. This will be a perfect place to call home. So we ended up changing the pictures out. The homeowner wanted to add a little bit more blue in here. And so that's what we did. We aimed to satisfy the homeowner. She also had this picture here that she wanted to add above the table. So now we're going to tour the other areas of the condo that make it so awesome. The mailbox area, this is the entrance, and this is the clubhouse where you can entertain guests, or you can come down here just relax if you want to get away from the upstairs environment of your condo. This is a library here where residents can come in to read books, or they can just come in here to utilize it as an office if they don't have one in their condo. Welcome to the pool area, a nice place to lounge, relax, and chill on a hot day. So if you're that health enthusiast who likes to keep their body toned and in shape, or if you just want to stay healthy, this is the gym that is part of the package when you become a homeowner here at this condo association. There's something in here for everybody, every level of athleticism, and just a place to kind of seclude yourself if you don't want to go to a gym. You have a gym right within the confines of your property. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Blessings and peace unto you.